Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Heavenly Cuisine, where recipes have no bounds. In today's episode, we're putting together an easy dinner menu. Roasted garlic chicken with naan roti and a simple garlic sauce. The roasted chicken has a Korean inspired touch and all the ingredients will be listed in the description. Starting with the roasted garlic chicken. We're using a whole chicken with skin on. First, give the chicken a wash. Yes, it's slightly controversial and people debate this, but some habits are impossible to let go. Rub the chicken with roughly 1 teaspoon each of salt and turmeric before washing. Ingredients for the marinade: 6 chopped garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chilli flakes, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon pomegranate molasses. Poke a few holes in the chicken so the marinade can seep in. In a small bowl, add the minced garlic, chili flakes, pepper, salt, lemon juice, olive oil, and pomegranate molasses. Stir well until combined. Add a few spoons at a time and coat the chicken thoroughly. Every corner matters. We don't want any bland chicken around here. We added about 250 ml of water beneath the aluminum foil that is lining the tray. This helps prevent sticking, especially since the chicken will be in the oven for a while. Bake at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. At the 30-minute mark, reduce the temperature to 180 degrees and bake for another 40 minutes. While the chicken cooks, prepare the dough for the naan roti. The ingredients are 4 cups flour, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, and 2 teaspoons oil. To prepare the dough, take a bowl and add half a cup of milk. Add the sugar and mix. Add the yeast, cover and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes to let it activate. Once activated, add another quarter cup of milk, along with the salt and mix. Add flour. We set a small portion of flour aside. Then oregano, sesame seeds, and oil. Begin kneading. We're using a spoon on camera to avoid mess, but using your hands makes it easier. Add the remaining milk and flour gradually until the dough reaches the right consistency. Drizzle a bit of oil over the dough, rub it in, cover with a damp cloth, and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now let's make the garlic dip, which ties the whole meal together. The ingredients are 4 garlic cloves, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vinegar, half a teaspoon salt, and half a cup of oil. Add the garlic, salt, and sugar to a blender and pulse. Add lemon juice and vinegar, then blend again. Then add the egg and blend. Slowly add the oil and blend for 1 to 2 minutes until the dip thickens to the ideal consistency. Now let's return to the chicken. At the 40-minute mark, flip the chicken and bake for another 40 minutes. It may seem long, but the flavor makes it worthwhile. Just check occasionally to avoid burning. Once done, the roasted garlic chicken is ready. Now all that's left is to cook the naan. The dough should have risen nicely. Give it one light punch for satisfaction, then knead gently. Divide the dough into your preferred size. 4 pieces work well. Dust your surface with flour and roll each portion. Heat a pan or cast iron plate, brush lightly with oil and place the naan. Cook each side for about a minute until golden brown. Brush with oil or butter once cooked. And just like that, dinner is ready. roasted garlic chicken, fresh naan, and garlic dip. Watching it back while editing honestly makes my mouth water. Try it at home and share your feedback in the comments. Remember to subscribe for more recipes.